An income statement is a financial document that summarizes a company's revenues, expenses, and profits or losses over a specific period. It's one of the key tools to understand how a business is performing financially. Ever wondered what the most powerful financial statement is for your business success? It's not just about what you earn, it's about what you keep. The income statement is your golden ticket to mastering your profits, expenses, and everything in between. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to break down and interpret any income statement like a seasoned CFO. Curious? Let's dive in. Step-by-step tips to understand the income statement. Step 1. Understanding the structure. Revenue, top line. This is where all your income from sales is recorded. It's the first thing you see, and it tells you how much money your business has brought in during the period. Example, if you own a retail store, this would be the total sales of goods during the month. Step 2. Subtracting the cost of goods sold, COGS. Cost of goods sold, COGS. These are the direct costs tied to the production of your products or services. After subtracting this from revenue, you get the gross profit. Example, the cost of the materials and labor needed to produce your product. Step 3. Operating expenses. These include administrative costs, rent, utilities, salaries, marketing, etc. This is where most businesses find hidden costs that could be reduced to improve profit margins. Example, running an office, employee wages, and insurance. Step 4. Operating income, EBIT. After subtracting the operating expenses from the gross profit, you're left with operating income, also known as EBIT, earnings before interest and taxes. This shows how profitable your core operations are without considering financing costs and taxes. Step 5. Other income and expenses. This includes any interest income or expenses, investments, or any other financial activities not directly related to your core business. Step 6. Taxes. At this stage, the tax expenses are deducted, leaving you with the final net income. Step 7. Net income. Bottom line. Net income is the final profit or loss after all expenses, taxes, and costs have been deducted from the total revenue. It's the most critical number because it tells you if your business is profitable or not. The income statement is much more than a bunch of numbers. It's your business's financial scorecard. By understanding each section, you can make smarter decisions, cut unnecessary costs, and maximize your profit. Whether you're a business owner or just curious about how companies stay afloat, mastering the income statement is key to financial success. Now that you understand the income statement, why not start analyzing your business finances with confidence? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with others who need it, and subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more wealth building tips and business insights. And remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video. Thanks for always watching my videos.